Saurus here, and today we're starting on another Saurus. This is Abaranger Red, Dino Thunder Red. I already made one of these recently for somebody. It was like a failed print that was kind of sitting here for like 9,000 years. It looks so good, I should have just did a video of it. But this is part of the helmet refresh that everyone voted on the Patreon. If you want to be a part of that, join the Patreon and you get to help choose what old helmets we go back and redo, make videos on and all that. So look forward to more of these coming. We've got the rest of the series coming, so hope you're excited about that. But this is a super simple helmet, but it looks good. I'm excited to do one for myself, replace my old garbage one. I'll show you at the end. And I believe this is 3D Command Center's file, which my other one was, I think it was Nelly Cosplay, so it's different, but not really anything extreme. So we'll get some putty on this, then we'll get started. Alright, looking great. We're going to get visor, magnets, elastic it, and then we'll get to the spin around! There we are, another Abaranger finished. I'm happy to have this one done. It's going to replace this one that's been on my shelf for so long. This is hot garbage. This is shiny new, beautiful. Tiny bit like roughness here. I think we were too far away or something with the red coat and it either dried weird or something. It's not orange peel or anything. It just has a little bit of a texture. I'm not sure. It's not a big deal and it doesn't really take away from anything, but I wish it could have done a little better. I was hoping the clear would cover up most of it, and it kind of did for the most part, but you know, can't win them all. Super happy to have this done though. I do love Abaranger. It's a great series. Make sure you check it out. I haven't really seen much of Dino Thunder, but I've heard it's okay. I mean, I guess it has Tommy in it, so don't watch it. But I think we've gotten a lot better. Here is our old one. This is 3D Command Center's file. It is beautiful. This is an old Nelly Cosplay file. I see the top is totally wrong on the Nelly's, but you know, this has been sitting here for years. and I'm happy to put this on my shelf. I love replacing old helmets. This is honestly part of the helmet refresh that we're doing on the Patreon. People are voting for series. We go back and redo all my old helmets and put new ones out and get rid of the old ones. So I hope you enjoyed this. Look forward, there's more Abaranger coming, Dino Thunder. Yellow's almost done. Blue needs printed. I do have black printed and maybe another white. I don't know. The white's kind of new. So is the black, but I got a new file for the black that I want to do. It has a better looking visor than the one I did before. So that's the plan for that. Yellow just needed changed, and blue really needs changed. It's kind of rough. So look forward to those. I promise those are all coming if you're very interested in Dino Thunder helmets. And Abaranger Max, Jurassic mode. I'm not sure what the Dino Thunder name is for Abaranger Maxes, but that one is definitely coming too. I've been wanting to do that forever, and finally having a reason to. So, but as always, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays and Props, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day, working on helmets live, having a good time. Check out the Discord, come hang out, talk about tokusatsu, lots of helmet makers in there, ask all kind of questions. It's all there. We're having a good time. Check out the Patreon, $1 tier. Join. You can help choose the community build helmets we do, pitch your ideas, maybe they'll get made, get art done by M for Mighty, have models done for them, have exclusive videos. There's exclusive videos over there, as well as files, all kinds of stuff. Check that out. Check out the merch store. Got a lot of cool t-shirts, coffee mugs, whatever you're into. As always, I'm Stickasaurus, and I'll see you next time.